Hey guys, so here's this 52-inch latex footprint vent cylinder fan. Not sure what the model name is on this one, but I'm just gonna call it latex footprint vent from now. This one has 4 lights, as you can see, and it has those longer brackets, like on the I don't know, but I did have 2 latex Ellingtons back then with no light. Well, one did not have a light and the other one had 4 lights, a different kind of 4 lights than this one. But I did get another one. I don't know if it's an Ellington or a latex. So, yeah. And the brackets are tiny different than the other 2 I restored, and it has 4 lights. Yeah, it has the integrated 4 lights on this fan. So the reason why I got it, because it is dirty. That's the main reason why I got it, because it's very dirty. Yeah. Shades are dirty too. This fan did not come with a light bulb, so I just put random bulbs in there. They're 60-watt LEDs. There's a G LED and 3 Philips LEDs. So I'm gonna restore this one, and it's wobbly, as you can see. Hanger ball and the set screws are tight, and there's a hole on that one that a screw goes in, but it's still kind of wobbles, so I might have to move that to another place so that way it won't wobble like this. So, yeah. This fan has 2 missing mounting bracket screws, but I'm gonna get new ones for it. The mounting bracket got painted on, and I think when they trying to remodel a house where this fan used to be, they painted the ceiling and they took this canopy off and painted the mounting bracket in. Yeah. And this fan has a bad capacitor because there's a lot of burnt holes in there and there's a crack in it. Well, just a little crack in it, but there's a lot of burnt holes in it, and this fan's a little bit slow on high, but it's not as slow as other fans that has bad capacitor, but this fan's a little slow. But I'm gonna get a new capacitor with this fan. And here's a picture of the capacitor I'm talking about. Yeah. And then there's another problem with this fan. This light doesn't work for some reason, and I don't know why. I'll get to it in a little bit, and I'm gonna make another video of this fan with the new capacitor, and I'm gonna fix this light can. I don't know how it's not working. I did connect the blue wire though, and I don't know if one of those wires are disconnected or not, and I don't know why the light's not turning on. I'll fix that and make another demonstration. But anyways, this is a 5 blades or 4 blades fan, and I'm gonna make a video of this fan with 5 and 4 blades. So the main reason why I got this fan is, the first thing is dusty. Yeah. And then the capacitor's bad, light's not working, and it's wobbly. Yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and demonstrate this fan. Do a little tour. It's an antique nickel or brushed steel finish. I think it's brushed steel. And it has mahogany blades reversible to the pine wood side. Maybe ash or pine wood. Something like that. That's the top. I'm gonna put a new screen on the top soon. It says January 2003 on a yellow sticker. And it's from October 2003. This fan is original to a house, and it was installed right after the house was built. Most Litex or Ellington's fans I get are original to a house that was built, because they're a little common in my area, like these. Yeah, this finish is actually uncommon too. Yeah. About a year and a half ago at Habitat, I saw 5 of these exactly the same fans. The footprint vents with 4 lights, integrated 4 lights. And there were 5. There was 2 in white and 3 in all rubbed bronze. Yeah, and they were all original to a house. And I think they were remodeling a house, so that's why there was 5 of them at Habitat. And this is my 6th one I saw in person. It's in, I never seen this finish in person before. This is, brushed steel or antique nickel. So yeah, just want to mention all that. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and demonstrate this fan. Here we go.